Welcome back, my Troll Train riders. I don't know what number video this is I did today. I could count really quick, but I'm not. So right now for this video, we're going to talk about face primers and setting sprays. This will be fairly quick. So if you've been here, you know my love is the Milk Hydro Grip face primer. I did try the e.l.f. Power Grip. My face didn't like it. It was just too drying for my skin. And so even though they were saying like that was a dupe for the Milk one, for me it was not. So this is still my love. I haven't been using it lately because I've been using powder foundation. When I use powder foundation, I tend not to use a primer. Go figure. I think because my face is still moist from my skincare, whereas when I'm putting on a liquid foundation, I want something to stick, whereas the powder will stick just on top of skincare, and sometimes a liquid foundation won't. So this is my go-to, and this expires January 2023. I never finish a whole one, but it's more cost effective to just get the large one versus the travel size, because the travel one I will go through and then I'm buying another one anyway. But I never go through this. It's 1.52 ounces. Even when I'm just using this exclusively, I still don't go through this in the 12 months that it's good for. But this is my go-to. That's definitely staying. I'm going to put stuff up as we're talking. So over here clanking, that's what it is. Surprisingly, the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. This I didn't open yet because this is only good for 6 months. And I wanted to get through as much of the Milk one as possible before throwing it away. This came, I think, as a free gift or something. Not this one, but another one. And I did actually use all of it. My skin, I was going to say my skin really likes this one. And I was surprised because the all-nighter spray turns me into an oil slick within 3 to 4 hours. It's horrible. So this is here just waiting for me to get to it. When I did the full face drugstore looks with tutorial videos with Erica, I'm tired, y'all. I think this will be my last one for the day because I'll be speaking troll and you guys will be like, why is she still even here and why am I watching? And then you'll click off and not watch it anyway. So the CoverGirl one, my skin actually liked it. It did. I opened this in July for that collab. So that's going to be a keeper. But then, am I going to use it realistically? Because I need to use as much of this one as possible by January. So, sorry CoverGirl, because I know I'm not going to get to it to finish it. This, however, the Maybelline, this is good until 9/2023. Says my label that the label whoever I am put on. Yo, I need a nap or to eat. You know what I need to eat? That's what it is. And my skin actually liked this one. It didn't burn or anything. Not that I remember. But I'm going to hold on to this one because that'll be good after I need to get rid of the Milk one. Setting sprays. I've been loving, and I loved it before, which is why I purchased it. This is the Fenty Baby What It Do Mist. I don't know about setting, but this just feels really nice on. And when I'm using powder foundations, and after I do my blush and all of that stuff, I spray my face just... Look at this. I used this today. And it's just like a nice little glow light thing. I really enjoy this. This expires October this year. And I'm sure I will get through it. I will. I've been using it almost every day. And even if I use a liquid foundation, once I powder everything down, blush, bronzer, all of that, you know, I still use this. My skin really likes it. I do have sensitive skin. So that's why you'll keep hearing me say my skin really likes it, because it does not like everything. The Milk, oh Lord, Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. This right here, after like half a day, 5-6 hours, this is cracked. Like it cracks my face. And I'm goofy, so I'm always laughing and making faces. I haven't used it in a while because I've been wearing a mask, and so I haven't been wearing makeup. And this expires in January as well. But I'm going to hold on to it. And because I'm not wearing makeup because I'm wearing a mask, I'm like, why am I holding on to this stuff? It'll end up away somewhere. This expires December this year. This is e.l.f. Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. Long lasting wear. I think the blue light stuff is BS. I really do. But my skin liked it. I did not have an issue with it. It's only good for 6 months. I'm going to throw it away because I just know I'm not going to use it. Illamasqua came in a subscription box. Hydra setting spray. I don't know about the Hydra. This is good for 24 months. This expires. Label whore. We're awesome. March 2024. So I am going to hold on to this. This right here, though, maybe I was too close. The same as the milk one. It cracks my face. So maybe I need to go like this and spray it, let it settle that way. But then when I relax, it'll crack. But, you know, when we spray our face, we're usually like this. And everything's great. I'm smiling, laughing, talking, chilling. Look in the mirror later. This is cracked to pieces. And I was just, ooh. So I guess it depends on what I'm doing. But because it's good until 2024, I am going to hold on to it. This is good till, this is Maybelline Lasting Fix that I had purchased for a collab. This is good till September 2024. So I'm going to hold on to it. I didn't have any issue with it. It didn't crack my face that I remember. I only used it a couple times. And so that is it for this part. Yeah, so I'm going to go eat, do something, and then we'll finish up this series. And I'm saying it like I'm posting all these in the same day, and I'm not. This will probably be over like 2 months or 3 months. But yeah, so we're going to go, and you will see me soon.